So here we are in the quality control room. Namaste. All the razor cut, as you can see, is done by hand. So when people ask if it's handmade, we can say yes, it's definitely handmade. This is the finishing room where all the little bits of thread are cut off and checked. Every piece is checked for quality. Then we move over to the spot where everything is ironed. Namaste. Every piece is ironed before it's packed. Some jelly waiting to be packed to go in the boxes. And there's the big boss man, Arjun, who everyone loves, by the way. He's a much beloved member of his community and boss. And then if stuff gets packed in boxes, and as you know, we don't ship everything in poly bags because we're trying to save the oceans from plastic. And so things get packed without plastic. All jelly waiting to get shipped.